going on? It's Christopher. Mummy never to do that again. Anyway, so like 5 minutes ago, it was all sunny. Now it's not. Now it's like a howling banshee out there. Look. It's destroying my blinds and stuff. Look. Wait for it. Put it this way. There used to be a bunch of blinds up there, and now they're gone. The only thing are... Nothing's actually happening. Come on. Don't make me feel like an idiot. Alright, well, I'm gonna give up on that for a while. Seriously, the one time anything happens and it's when my wing dies down. Stupid freaking mother nature. Anyway, point is, I have no blinds anymore. You can't see where I'm pointing. Now when I try to watch TV and stuff, there's gonna be glare all over my TV. Wow, yet again, I just can't think of anything to talk about. Oh, another exam story. You finish the exam, you sit there and draw. You draw some tattoos on you, and you're like, yeah! It's one get one on order. And I drew like all these weird video game and movie and weird childhood symbols and stuff. And I explained my friend each one. But instead of like a bunch of childhood type things, he drew triangles. I was like, why did you draw a triangle? It doesn't make sense! I understand hipsters and all that jazz. Like, I understand the whole thing, but when did shapes become indie and hipster and whatever? My point is, when I don't understand hipsterism. That's a new word, feel free to use it, I just made it up, hipsterism. I don't understand you hipsters either. It's like, yeah, I was a hipster a while ago, I used to criticize everything for every detail if everyone liked it. I don't get it, why are you all shaving your head? I shave it there and then make a fully stick comb over and you're like, inspired by Skrillex. Maybe not with that retarded, but like, inspired by Skrillex. Skrillex is dubstep, and he's old. He invented it and he is a musical god. He makes some bleeps and bloops as well, but that's not the point. Well, there's something that annoys me. I bring it! I mean, that's the wrong thing. Woo! Get ready for summer! Yeah! Summer! It's spring! Are you that retard? Oh, getting my summer body on. Oh yeah, ready for summer. It's spring! We learned this in kindergarten. Or if someone from America's watching, whatever class you call it. I don't know who's watching, but it's just a point I'm trying to make. Also, it's like, oh, I'm going to the beach every day. What are you doing, Chris? Forever alone. I've been sitting here waiting for Mother Nature to show off how she's been destroying my blinds. I've been talking about hipsters. I've been talking about people getting their... Oh, I get it wrong as well, but there's summer, winters, autumns, and spring. Anyway, I don't know who's watching, and probably no one, but I'm out. I gotta get the chair, Chris. I'm just gonna bend over.